Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to look at some of the extrude feature options that we left off in the first one. So we're going to start by sketching on the top plane. Select the plane, start the sketch and select this center rectangle. So a center rectangle is the best type of rectangle because it bounds the center of the rectangle to the origin of the plane, so you don't have to give in a lot of dimensions to fully define the sketch. So my units are in millimeters. We're going to give it a dimension of 50 millimeters. So roughly that's 2 inches. That's a bit short, I guess, so we're going to go back and give it a 100 mm. That's around 4 inches. Hit escape. Now go to features, extrude, and we're going to give it around 150 millimeters, short and sweet and blind. Alright, now the features that I was talking about. Draft is it adds a angle to the profile of the extrude. So if you wanted to make a cone or something similar, you can take a draft, and the more you increase the degrees of the angle of the draft, it becomes sharper and sharper. So you can easily make pyramids and cones with this type of feature. But we're going to draft outward because we're trying to make another mock-up. So we're going to give it around 7 degrees. Alright, select this face, go to sketch and sketch a circle. Smart dimension. Sorry, 50 millimeters. Features, extrude. Give it around 35 millimeters. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is called the Helix and Spiral. So for Helix and Spiral you need two things. You need a circle and you need to dimension it somehow. So I'm going to make a circle, and I want to show you another thing that you can use to easily make profiles. So go to sketch, and I'm going to go normal for this one. Go normal to the body, and this is called convert entities. So I'm going to select this circle of the extrude and I'm going to convert this. So it converted it, the sketched on our new plane. So I'm going to exit, features and Helix and Spiral. So it remembered my last setting that I did, and what it does is it has a few options: pitch and revolution, height and pitch, and spiral. So we're going to select pitch and revolution, So pitch is the distance between these this next line or the next spiral, and revolution is the number of circles that the point has completed. Everything is okay. The next thing is how to make a new plane. So reference, go back, and this is the first, this is there. Okay, for a plane basically you need a line and a point. So I've selected the line of the helix and the point of the, let me just go to this plane, normal to, and start a new sketch. Line, I'm just eyeballing it here. I'm not doing anything specific, just trying to give a profile for the next thing that I'm going to do. Hit escape, exit sketch. Now go to features, swept boss. So a sweep is a sweep of a profile or of a circle. So that's the two options. You can give it a profile and ask it to sweep that, or you can give it a circular profile. So it has selected my profile as the arcs, and now we give it a path, and we're going to select this spiral. That's going to create this spiral for us. Useful front plane, and we're going to go normal to this plane. I'm going to take a rectangle, and we're going to, yeah, that's okay. Escape, drag it a bit there, and features, extrude cut. There. That cleaned our thread from the top. Could have given it an offset, but I thought of doing that to show you another feature. So since we're in the features tab, why don't we use shell, and this body, that's a lot, 2 it's going to shell the entire bottle evenly, and now just add an appearance. So we're going to give it a glass textured and frosted glass, the entire part. And we're going to add a perspective, and if you remember, in the last video we used photo view 360 to render the bottle. We're going to do the same in this one. So when I select the photo view 360, it opened this render options, the render tools, and we're going to just select final render, and it's going to render the bottle in the exact same profile. And that's it for the video. So go ahead and save the image once the render is completed. And in the meanwhile, I want to take the time and thank you for your support, and like, share and subscribe so I can keep making these videos. Save your image, look at it, admire it, appreciate your work, and don't be overwhelmed by anything. Just keep on trying and you will soon learn everything. Thank you so much.